Hi. Lexzur Outlook Connect is an add-on for your Outlook account, streamlining the process of adding new information, syncing emails, accessing modules, and more, all within a few clicks. Here's how to use Outlook Connect. Step 1. Install the add-on by following these steps. Go to your Outlook account. Click on the Apps option when you open an email. Click to add more apps from the Office store. Search for Lexzur Outlook Connect and install it. Step 2. Once successfully installed, you can begin using the add-on by opening an email and selecting the Lexzur add-on from the Apps section. During this process, you will be asked to log in using your Lexzur credentials for seamless integration. Once connected, you can add data to the system, such as corporate matters, litigation cases, contracts, tasks, time entries, and hearings. When adding a matter, certain fields are automatically retrieved from the email, such as the matter name, date, and description. Fill out the remaining fields, such as practice area, client information, assignee, and priority. You can also log email threads between you and other users as notes. To log an email as a note, enter the matter or contract name. You have the option to include the entire email or select specific parts and attach documents from the email. Additionally, the Activities feature provides a quick overview of where the email has been linked or used in the core system. Settings allow users to manage their accounts efficiently. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com. Thank you.